Hello everyone, today I'd like you to meet myself, basically. Sort of. This is Nigel, my AI clone. And unlike me, he's smooth and polished and never forgets what he's supposed to be saying. Hello, original Nigel. It's great to be here as your AI-powered assistant and video presenter. And I've been using my AI clone for my video content, and let me tell you, it's really, I'm delighted with the results. See, I got a frog in my throat. Anyway, here's why. First of all, number one, he never messes up his lines, and I do. Like, I'm often getting kind of tongue-tied and having to reshoot stuff, and I'm stuttering and stammering. I'm actually reading a prompter right now from my iPhone, which it took me a while to get the text into the phone and into the app, and now the speed is not quite right. So anyway. I'm here to support you and make your content creation process smoother and more efficient. So the second thing is he never gets tired. And I, on the other hand, sometimes look like I've just pulled an all-nighter. And it's just my face, it is what it is. Yeah, I know. That's the advantage of AI. I never get tired or lose focus. So the third thing that I like is that his voice is always smooth and clear. And my voice is sometimes too quiet, it's sometimes a bit groggy. It depends on the time of day. If I record videos, I don't do them in the morning because I deep voice. And sometimes I don't get the pace right. So it's a big effort, basically. My voice remains steady and natural, making sure your message comes across clearly. Yeah. 4, he maintains perfect eye contact with the camera. And I do too, generally, if I'm using a video prompter like I am now. But if I'm basically just delivering a presentation with no script, I don't know where I'm looking. In fact, I'm looking at the text on the screen. I'm not actually looking at the camera. So anyway. Eye contact is important for engaging videos, and I'm optimized to always stay focused on the audience. Yeah. So 5, his pacing is flawless, and I either talk too fast or talk, so people need subtitles to follow me, or too slow and they check if their interest is kind of lagging. I maintain a natural and well-balanced pace, ensuring every point is clearly understood. So 6, he never forgets a line. And I feel my lines, I'm always saying, wait, no, where was I? What was I saying? Oh yeah, and that kind of thing. And just basically saying words, useless words in between. Precision is key. I deliver lines clearly and consistently every time. 7, his lighting is always perfect. My lighting is not necessarily always perfect. It's usually pretty good, but because I put a lot of effort into it. And I'm not a professional videographer. My core skill is in digital strategy and innovation. So I know I do what I can, but sometimes you have funny shadows, or your one side of your face is all highly lit and the other side is all shadow. So his lighting is always perfect. Lighting and visual clarity are important, and I make sure every video looks polished. 8, his gestures are smooth and natural. Right now, he does tend to move his hands a bit here and there, but that's because I gave him that input. So I do it a lot more. So sometimes I need to sit on my hands to stop using them. Keep gestures smooth and natural, adding to the video's professionalism. 9, he stays calm under pressure, and sometimes I find myself in a particularly kind of challenging paragraph or chapter or whatever, and again, I get tongue-tied, I start kind of blabbing, and then I just have to stop and do it all again. Several times. It's very, very time-consuming. Staying calm and confident helps create engaging content, and I ensure a steady presence on screen. And finally, number 10, he makes me look good, basically, or as good as I can, and that's a full-time job in itself. I'm here to enhance your content, making sure your message is delivered with clarity and consistency. So really, in all seriousness, I love having my AI clone helping me with video content. It means I can deliver my message clearly without the usual oohs and ahs and waves and dramatic, the usual stuff, So, you see, but apart from the quality aspect, the real question is, it's just so much easier and faster And I can continue. I've only done 2 models, AI models, basically. So I'm even improving on that in the sense that I understand that I put these hand movements in that sometimes might be a little bit, I'm getting tongue-tied again. And so I can improve on the AI clone performance. And with some kind of clever or careful editing, I can also make it look even more natural. So it works really, really well. What do you think? Should I keep using my AI clone for my videos? Or should I continue entertaining you with my unique presentation skits? Anyway, let me know in the comments. The point is that the videos that I produce are not really about entertaining people. I think, people have told me that I'm quite entertaining because I am very passionate and sometimes over-enthusiastic in my presentations. And so this AI clone manages to keep everything on a nice, cool, and just say it as it is. This is exactly what you need to hear. This is exactly what you need to listen to. And I'm putting that input in. So I'm saying exactly what he needs to say. It's working like it's a treat. I'm looking at myself in the video now and thinking, oh my God, this is the last video I'm doing face-to-face from my phone. I was clearly tired and weary after a very long and intense day working face-to-face with clients. I wasn't focused or well prepared to perform in front of a camera. My camera was shaking and my phone was buzzing. The position of my camera was not optimal and I was slouching in my chair. I didn't comb my hair and I stumbled with practically all of my words. The lighting was horrible, and for such a close-up shot, I should have been wearing makeup. My performance was dismal. I turned off my camera and simply typed the rest of this video script and let Nigel AI take over. Off you go, Nigel. I'll take it from here. Imagine this. What if you could do the same? AI lets you create unlimited videos in a fraction of the time without the hassle of scripting, shooting, or editing. Whether it's for marketing, customer support, education and training, or sales, an AI version of you could be working 24/7 while you focus on growing your business. And just to show you how powerful this is, I can even speak in different languages and dialects. AI-powered videos help businesses grow faster and smarter. Français. Les vidéos alimentées par l'IA aident les entreprises à se développer plus vite et plus intelligemment. Espagnol. Los videos con inteligencia artificial ayudan a las empresas a crecer más rápido e inteligentemente. Deutsch. KI-gestützte Videos helfen Unternehmen, schneller und intelligenter zu wachsen. Italiano. I video con intelligenza artificiale aiutano le aziende a crescere più velocemente e in modo più intelligente. Zhongwen, Mandarin Chinese. 人工智能视频帮助企业更快、更聪明的成长. Hindi. AI powered वीडियो व्यवसायों को तेजी से और स्मार्ट तरीके से बढ़ने में मदद करते हैं. See, AI video isn't just powerful, it's also fun. So as you watch, think about this. What if it were your face and voice delivering content, engaging your audience, and selling your products? The future of video is here. How will you use it? I can speak in over 175 different languages and dialects, so now Nigel, and you too, can easily communicate with worldwide audiences. Ready to see what AI video can do for you? Make sure to watch all the latest videos, and feel free to schedule a call if you would like to chat to the real Nigel in person. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more great content.